Making a custom running route on Apple Maps is really easy to do. So the first thing you do is once you open it, all you do is you actually have to choose a start and an end point first of all. So let's just say I want to have my start point be over here at this stadium, let's say. So first thing you do, you select the stadium or the place that you want to start, and you can actually choose your other location, the place you want to start. Now, once you actually done that, let me just say I want to choose the food nearby. Let me just say I want to start here. So once you click on that, you click on add stop to your route. And now Google Maps will custom make the fastest route to your route. So you want to click on add stop, and you actually just want to add another stop from your route. Let's just say we want to go all the way out here. Let me just say I want to go to this place right here, which is called the Pikes Peak. So you click on add stop, and you can actually rearrange the order, and Google Maps will actually make your running route so you can have these stops on the way. And it's easy to do, is actually